Once upon a time in a land far, far away,
You be good to your sister. There's no fire. All right, gather round, everybody. Pull up the toadstool and make yourself comfortable. Kids, now you settle down because your mom and dad are going to put on a show for us.
this is the story of how your mother and I met. Once upon a time in a land far, far away, there was a beautiful swamp. It was full of mud and slime and bugs and snakes and all the things that would make it an ogre's home sweet home. Better out than in, I always say.
By order of Lord Farquhar, we are hereby authorized to place you under arrest and transport you to a designated resettlement facility.
Yeah, Lord Farquhar.
Lord Farquhar, eh?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Now where is he?
He's in jail.
Oh, guys.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's not the most perfect king of all time? Well, technically, you're not a king. What? What I mean is you're not a king yet. But you can become one. All you have to do is marry a princess. And here they are. Cinderella, Snow White, and Princess Fiona.
The last one.
Congratulations. You've chosen Princess Fiona.
Now I need to find a fool to go fetch her for me.
Hey, Farquhar, I've a bone to pick with you.
Ah, ogre. Just the one I'm looking for.
Alright, so you're gonna go fight a dragon and rescue a princess just so Farquhar will give you a swamp back?
Well, there's a lot more to me than people think. Ogres are like onions. Onions have layers, ogres have layers.
Cool.
So where is this fine reaping pain in the neck man?
She's inside, waiting to be rescued.
I was talking about the dragon.
Shrek? Shrek?
Of course, there ain't nothing wrong with being afraid. This is sensible and it's not bad under the situation. Ain't nothing to this dangerous situation. I'm not nervous. No, I never get nervous. I'm weak up. A dragon who breathes fire and snakes and brings them on fire? Then it sure doesn't mean you're a coward if you're a little scared, you know what I mean? Shrek!
Princess. Wake up! Are you Princess Fiona?
I am. Awaiting a knight so bold as to rescue me.
Ah, that's nice. Now let's go!
Shrek! Did you find the princess yet? Does that mean I just might have found a dragon?
You didn't slay the dragon?
It's on my to-do list.
This isn't right. You went to charge it, sword drawn, hammer flying. That's what the other knights did.
Yeah, I like it when they burst into flames.
What kind of knight are you?
One of a kind.
Everybody loves a fire-breathing dragon.
It's destiny. You must know how the story goes. A princess locked in a tower and beset by a dragon is rescued by a brave knight, and then they share true love's first kiss.
Wait, you think Shrek is your true love?
I was sent to rescue you by Lord Farquaad.
You can tell Lord Farquaad that if he wants to rescue me properly, I'll be waiting for him right here.
Princess, what happened to you?
I'm ugly, okay? It's my curse. By night one way, by day another. Who could ever love a beast so ugly? And princess and beast don't go together. I can't stay here with Shrek. My only chance to live happily ever after is to marry my true love.
So you're really an ogre? Well, that explains a lot.
Oh, stop it! Dodge! I order you to get that ugly beast out of my sight.
All right, nobody. Got a dragon here. I'm not afraid of you. You almost say it, don't forget anything down. True love. Do this to me, Abby. Come on, y'all. That's all fate. Now I'm a believer. Not afraid. I'm out of my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I can believe it if I try.
And that's the way it happened. The end.
Thank you all for coming. And be sure to pick up some wow